I'm a little unsteady, a little unsteady. Hold on to me, 'cause I'm a little unsteady.
In life,
A little unsteady.
we are faced with
Mama, come here.
we have been laced by the power of the question.
Up here.
We may start things in life and feel like giving up.
Alone, 'cause
But one
this
thing
house don't feel
we should
like
remember is
home. If you love me,
why we have started.
don't let go.
If you know why you have started,
If you love me,
then
don't let
it will keep you going. Whenever you feel like stopping or quitting a fight, just remember one thing. Why have you started the fight? Because if it was worth quitting or worth giving up, the answer why you have started will remind you of a proper evaluation whether to continue or not. So, whenever you feel like quitting, remember one thing. Remember the reason why you started. Ask yourself why you decided to embark on the struggle. Ask yourself why you made up your mind to put an effort on the struggle that you're about. Ask yourself why do you want to quit this relationship? Yet I made up my mind to love this person. Why do you want to? Why did you start at the first place loving this person before you quit the relationship? And also, for example, if you're a scientist or an artist, ask yourself, why have I started this project now that I want to abandon the project? That will be the ultimate guiding question. Thank you for watching The Hard Way on Low Folklore. Please subscribe. Bye bye.